Any other questions?
Yes, Rabbi.
Please go ahead.
Question that caught my attention this Shabbos was it was somebody that asked a question and it stuck to me. How come all the blessings we say is before we do something like shehako, then we eat and then we drink water, for example, and then the food we say the blessing and then we eat. But then how come? I think it's the only blessing. Netilat Yadayim, we say it after.
Netilat Yadayim, we say after. Okay. Oh, okay. I got you. Okay, so let me just explain your question to everybody. So it's not only the only exception. There are a few other exceptions, but we will look at this exception. So usually, like a proper way to do, first you say blessing and then you do action. But here when we wash, for example, for bread, right? First we wash. So we say, thank Hashem who commanded us to wash our hands. Yeah, but I already washed my hands. So how does it make sense? That's a perfect question. Thank you very much. Like that does not make sense. It's not logical. How can I say blessing and do not do the action? So the answer is very simple. This Netilat Yadayim actually consists of two parts. First part is the water part when you pour water, but second part is a drying, right? So drying is actually very, very important to dry hands completely. And people who start drying before the saying of the blessing, that's the problem. That's the issue. Like some people always in a rush, in the holy things, but very slow in forbidden things, right? So they would dry hands and then say the blessing. That's absolutely wrong. That would be the case that you would say that would be forbidden. But what we do, right? We wash, say the blessing, right? You rub your hands like this. So water goes everywhere. So some people do not know. I don't know. Like that's what we do. Like this. You put your hands up, right? So the water would run down. You say the blessing, and then you dry your hands. Try not to put them down, right? You try to dry them like that, and that's it. Then you completed the mitzvah. So like when you were saying the blessing, it was like in the middle of the mitzvah. Okay, very good question. Thank you very much. Go ahead.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome. Go ahead.